Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the dark mode or the light mode on the Proton Mail. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on this Proton Mail, and after clicking on the Proton Mail, simply we have to click on these lines option here, and after that we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down you will be able to see the settings option here. So we have to click on the settings option, and after clicking on the settings option, as you can see, you will be able to see the dark mode option. So we have to click on the dark mode, and if you want to make it always on, you can also do that. If you want to click on the always off, you can also do that. Or if you want to follow device setting, you can also do that. Now in the device setting, it's dark mode because my device is on the dark mode. So if you want to make it off, you can also do that. So in this way, you can switch the themes, switch the modes of your Proton Mail app. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.